We're going to take a look here at PDT on the daily chart. Now, you'll notice if you are part of our Discord that we did just post a winning trade in here from yesterday. So if you would like to be part of our Discord or follow us on other social media, feel free to click the links in our description here and find us on there for more winning trades. But going forward, what are we looking at? Well, there's going to be some indecision because we have earnings coming up next week. So what are we doing in here currently right now? Well, indecision in here today, although we did end up green, opened at 117.59, hit that low 115, finally closed at 117.98 by the day's end. So going forward, a little bit of an indecision kind of consolidation down here in between this 113 and this 9-day EMA, which is currently at that 117.96 marks. We're just 2 cents above it right now. So we're still going to say that's kind of basically a resistance for us. It's going to be kind of holding weight depending on how much we gap up or gap down tomorrow. Now, if we do open up above that and open up above that 118 range, then this 200 SMA is going to be our first resistance. It's kind of match up right here with our 50% fib level, that 121.95. We always talk about those 50% fib levels being key areas of support and resistance for us. So going forward, that is going to be an area that we are going to look at, but it all depends on if this 9-day EMA is going to hold in here or not. If we kind of zoom out, you can see that we're consolidating within this wedge right here, and we're all just kind of looking towards earnings, right? Your RSI is basically neutral. Your volume's basically average in here, even with that big down day in here yesterday, which is down a couple dollars. All in all, still just kind of waiting in here, seeing if we're going to get a little contraction or expansion in here on the volatility to help us kind of bounce off something to play this a little bit better into earnings. But for now, we're just kind of keep an eye on this, and basically we're going to watch and wait and see how it reacts to the market, how it plays off JD, how it plays off BABA, all the other Chinese stocks, etc. So volatility wise, we mentioned that we're looking for a little bit of an expansion in here and a contraction. You have an IV of 78, your IV rank 78 in here. You have right around a $30 expected move in here by this Friday. If you go out to next Friday, around a $25 expected move. And if you go out to your April monthlies, you have around a $30 expected move. So pretty big moves priced in already with your options premium, but still we need bigger swings in here to actually hit those expected moves by those expirations. But it looks like we could just be setting up here, kind of bouncing off our main fib levels first before we actually kind of get directional in here. But all in all, what are we looking at? You got a support of 113. You got that first resistance right around 117.96, 118 area. Above that, you're looking at this 200 SMA or this 50% fib retrace, which is right around that 121.95. All right, guys, if you like this video, be sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.